Welcome to our Masterclass on AI-powered cybersecurity and enterprise data protection. Let's explore the evolving landscape. In 2026, artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of cybersecurity, offering both powerful defensive capabilities and new offensive risks. While AI accelerates software development and threat detection, it also empowers attackers to scale their operations significantly. Modern threats are now automated, adaptive, and highly scalable, moving far beyond the capabilities of manual attack methods. Attackers now use AI to automate reconnaissance, generate convincing phishing messages, and create malicious code variations at lightning speed. The core challenge for security teams today is effectively distinguishing between legitimate system automation and malicious AI-driven activity. AI has revolutionized social engineering, making it easier than ever for attackers to impersonate colleagues or executives. By improving grammar, personalization, and context, AI enables phishing content that is far more convincing than traditional spam. Voice cloning and deepfake technologies add a dangerous layer of deception, potentially tricking employees into authorizing urgent financial transactions. To combat these threats, security must rely on a multi-layer verification strategy covering identity, device, context, and authorization. Another growing enterprise risk is shadow AI, where employees use unauthorized public AI tools that could expose sensitive data. Using unauthorized AI services risks leaking source code, credentials, and internal architecture diagrams into external systems. Organizations must move beyond banning tools and instead implement a comprehensive AI governance strategy to maintain control. A successful governance model requires clear cycles: discover, classify, control, monitor, and respond to AI usage throughout the enterprise. Ultimately, robust AI security protects the organization both from AI-powered attacks and from the risks of unsafe AI internal adoption. We must find the balance between enabling innovation and maintaining the strict security controls necessary for modern enterprise protection. Coming up next, we will examine AI-enhanced phishing defense and how human verification remains a critical stopgap in our security. Welcome to Module 2, where we examine the risks of shadow AI and protecting proprietary data. Shadow AI occurs when employees use unauthorized tools, creating significant enterprise security vulnerabilities. It often starts with good intentions, an employee just trying to solve a coding bug quickly using a public AI. When proprietary source code or confidential business data is pasted into a public tool, the risk of data exposure skyrockets. Step 1 of our defense is to verify your sandbox environment. Always ensure the AI service you are using has been formally approved by your organization's security and compliance teams. Prioritize tools that offer zero data retention, or ZDR, to ensure your business data isn't used for unauthorized model training. Step 2 is crucial. Always sanitize your inputs before processing them. Never paste sensitive information like credentials or customer data into any third-party system. Replace sensitive values with safe placeholders. This allows the AI to help you without exposing underlying secrets. Step 3 is to audit and validate every piece of AI-generated code. Treat all AI output as untrusted input. It may contain outdated libraries or unknown security vulnerabilities. Before deployment, ensure your code passes through the same engineering controls as any other manual code. An effective enterprise strategy provides employees with an approved tool catalog, clear data rules, and ongoing security training. Remember, verify your environment, sanitize your inputs, and always audit the final generated output. AI can boost productivity, but only when paired with robust data protection. Next, we'll explore AI-enhanced phishing defenses. Welcome to Module 3, AI Phishing and Deepfake Defense. In this session, we will explore how AI is changing the threat landscape and how you can stay protected. Phishing is no longer just about obvious typos. It has evolved into a highly sophisticated AI-driven practice. AI tools scrape LinkedIn, blogs, and code repositories to personalize attacks. If a message sounds like it knows your specific project, proceed with extreme caution. Detecting synthetic emails requires looking beyond the grammar. You must analyze the intent and the requested action. A perfect professional tone is a hallmark of AI. Do not let a polished writing style lower your guard. Look for the hidden request. Focus on the trigger. Why is the sender asking for this specific action right now? Red flags include demands for urgent wire transfers or requests to reset your multi-factor authentication. These are major warning signs. We are also facing a new reality: voice and video deepfakes that can perfectly impersonate your colleagues. Attackers use deepfakes to impersonate executives. If you receive a video call from leadership requesting a bypass, stay skeptical. Always verify unexpected requests through a known, secondary internal communication channel before taking action. Out-of-band communication, calling someone on a known internal phone line, is the most reliable way to confirm an identity. To combat these threats, we shift toward a zero-trust model that does not rely on trust, but on continuous verification. Passwords are no longer enough. We must move toward hardware-based authentication to ensure identity. Using FIDO2 hardware keys provides a physical layer of security that cannot be phished or replicated by AI. Implementing location-matched push notifications ensures that even if your credentials are leaked, they cannot be used from a remote, unauthorized location. Adopt these habits. Always verify requests, use your physical MFA keys, and never ignore that gut feeling when something feels too urgent. If you suspect an attack, don't hesitate. Contact IT support, forward suspicious emails for analysis, and alert our security team immediately. Your diligence keeps us all secure. Welcome to Module 4. Today, we're exploring DevSecOps and how to automate security within your pipeline. DevSecOps combines development, security, and operations to deliver software faster while continuously managing security risks. Security should not be treated as a final step. It must be integrated throughout the software delivery lifecycle. Shift left means moving security checks earlier in the development lifecycle, where vulnerabilities are cheaper and easier to fix. Automated security controls should be built directly into the CI/CD pipeline, ensuring every commit is checked. The flow is straightforward. Code commit leads to builds, security scans, automated tests, and finally, deployment. GitHub Actions automate security checks every time developers create a pull request or push new code. Let's look at the core security testing tools that keep our applications safe. SAST analyzes source code without executing it to identify insecure coding patterns and injection risks. DAST examines the running application to identify vulnerabilities from an external, runtime perspective. Software composition analysis, or SCA, is essential for monitoring open-source libraries and dependency risks. Securing your software supply chain requires a proactive approach to managing all components and infrastructure. A software bill of materials provides an inventory of components, helping you track vulnerabilities across your supply chain. We must scan container images and infrastructure as code files like Terraform for misconfigurations before deployment. Properly governing secrets is critical to preventing unauthorized access to your systems. Ensure your CI/CD agents only have the specific permissions required to perform their tasks. Prefer temporary tokens over permanent secrets to minimize the impact of a potential credential leak. Security policies can be converted into automated rules that prevent non-compliant configurations from progressing. Quality gates ensure that critical vulnerabilities automatically fail the pipeline, protecting production environments. Ultimately, the goal is to make security an automated, constant part of every deployment. DevSecOps doesn't stop at deployment. We must continuously monitor our live applications, containers, and infrastructure to detect new threats. Remember to automate your checks, enforce least privilege, protect your secrets, and maintain visibility through SBOM tracking. The goal is clear. Make security an automated part of every deployment, rather than a manual checkpoint at the end. To wrap up today's training, here is your 3-point immediate action plan to stay secure. Let's review the key takeaways from our session to ensure we maintain our security standards. We have covered various threats and practices to help protect our corporate integrity and system architecture. Here is your immediate 3-point action plan to secure your workspace today. First, audit your local development environment for any unapproved AI browser plugins or local LLMs that might be handling sensitive code. Second, enable multi-factor authentication on all code repositories and cloud portals to add a critical layer of defense. Third, report any suspicious AI-generated communications immediately to the society team for further investigation. By staying vigilant, you protect our system architecture, customer trust, and corporate integrity. Maintaining high standards of security and integrity is a collective responsibility we all share. Complete the brief assessment quiz linked below to log your training completion. Stay secure. Thank you for completing this module. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future security updates.